usual Vixen. So as promised, I told you guys I would give you a look at to what's in my room and closet. So okay, this is the start of my room, and I have this really cute rug. If you guys watched my other vlog, then you've seen that I got this rug the other day to finish out my thing. And they both came from Ross, and I think this one's like 15 and this one's like 20. And then over here I have a box full of things I have yet to wear. And then I have my new Jeffrey Campbell heels I just ordered. I'll show you guys those, and that's the dress that I'm going to wear with them. But some of my favorites are like these right here are my favorite. I need to wipe them off, but I really love these sneakers. I ordered them from an Instagram boutique, not Boohoo. This is another pair of heels, but these are like my babies, and I have to get them clean. They actually go in this box. As you can see, there's a whole lot of other stuff on top, like these. These are brand new, and they are really I ordered these maybe like 3 months ago, and I've yet to wear them. And these came from, let me see, these come from Miss Lola Official. This is where I got these from. I really like them. Obviously, it's my bed. I have to get maybe like 2 to 4 more pillows because I don't like any of the pillows that I have. I'm here to sleep with. And I actually made this little backdrop, I guess. My headboard for my bed is downstairs, like my actual metal frame. Because it kept brushing up against the wall, so I had to move it downstairs. So I got these fabrics from Joann, and I just hung and like draped them the way that I wanted to. And this is one of my Christmas gifts. I just bought this. And then we have my closet, which is pretty full. Not a lot of stuff. I don't think I have a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorites. Oh, and then you have my mirror. I'll show you guys my mirror. And of course, my new house shoes that are so cute. I'm just showing you guys some things that I have that's new and some stuff that I have like put together. I honestly didn't make this video that long because if I went through all of the outfits that I have styled together and all of the stuff that I have hanging on these hangers, this video will probably be about 2 hours long. So I'm a really big heel person. Although I have no arch, I'm always buying heels, wearing them one time. But this pair is really one of my favorite pairs of heels. Like, this is like a statement shoe. And I wore these one time in Miami last year. And I just haven't worn them since, but they're like so cute. I'll show you guys. I'll show them to you guys on my feet. I'm gonna put them on in a second. But my other favorite pair are these babies. These are like my holy grail. Like, this is like the ultimate statement. Like this. And excuse my nails. My nail appointment is in a couple of days. These are like the ultimate of all. What? So these are a favorite, and I have no arch and my feet are really chunky. I love wearing heels. Like, love wearing heels. And these are two of my favorite. So these are well, this is one pair of my favorite sneakers, and I got this from this little Instagram boutique. And of course they remind you of the Balenciaga runners, but they're a little bit more like jazzy in your face. And they're like super cute. I really like these. I am someone who loves a good booty. Like, these are so bomb. They're like such a statement shoe. I love a statement shoe and a statement purse. I don't really wear, like, I'm the type of person that I'll spend a lot of money on shoes and bags, but what are you doing? Oh my God. I'm the type of person that I'll spend a lot of money on shoes and like purses and jackets, but I won't spend a lot of money on clothes because you wear your clothes one time, take a picture, never wear it again. You're gonna always wear your shoes and your bags and your purse. Like, you're gonna always keep them in rotation, you know? These shoes are the worst pair of shoes, and my God, and they're actually scuffed up. These are the worst pair of shoes that I own. Like, they hurt so freaking bad, okay? This shoe has zero support, like absolutely no support. You can wear these in 5 minutes and you're gonna have sharp pains traveling up your knees to your spine to your head. Like, these shoes give you a headache. Yeah, I really wanted these shoes. I really wanted a nice black pair of booties, and I got these from Semi in a size 9. These shoes run so small, so narrow. Like, I would not recommend anybody to buy, I won't say those sight shoes, but maybe not a shoe like this. Like, this heel has no support. These are the worst pair of shoes that I own, and I've worn them a total of 2 times. And I let my best friend wear these her birthday weekend, and she wanted to kill me because I didn't tell her that they hurt. To this corner, and all of this is new drip. Like, this is literally bags of stuff that I've bought over months and have not worn. Like, and my sweat belt is at the very bottom. Let's see what my brand of sweat belt is, because you guys always ask me, where'd you get your waist trainer? What brand is your sweat belt? And I get everything off Amazon. This doesn't even have a fucking name on it, but I really, really like this sweat belt. This purse isn't new. I got this purse from Aldo like 2 years ago. It's one of my favorite bags. But yeah, all of this stuff over here, guys, is new. Like, I have a shopping problem. I really do. And I'm gonna get better, because I have stuff in my closet that I've never worn. Now, these shoes, oh my God, I'm obsessed with the boxing. That's number one. Like, I'm super obsessed. But I seen these shoes like maybe like 2.5 years ago, and I didn't order them. And I bought this pink dress, and it instantly made me think of these shoes. I'm like, oh my God, I want these shoes. I wonder if they're in stock. I wonder if they still sell them shoes. And lo and behold, I go to the Jeffrey Campbell website, and they still have them. I was so psyched. So this was like one of my Christmas gifts to myself, because I ordered these on Christmas Eve, and I just got them maybe like a week and a half ago. So I am pretty much done showing you guys what's in my room. Thanks for tuning in.